Introducing the new Viking Pump GL407 and GL410 series glycol dehydration pumps. Featuring Viking Pump's time-tested external gear technology, the GL410 and GL407 series pumps have been specifically designed to handle the unique conditions present in natural gas glycol dehydration systems. Assembled and tested in Viking's world-class U.S. manufacturing facility, you can depend on the GL series to handle the demands of your system. Designed for easy, mess-free, drop-in replacement, the Viking M-Drive saves valuable time on pump installation. To install the Viking GL407 and GL410 series glycol pumps, just follow these easy steps. First, align the pump with the motor mounting bracket and attach the 4 mounting cap screws. 407 series pumps will only have 2 cap screws. The cap screws should be evenly torqued to the applicable values in the chart. Then, place the pump coupling hub and key on the pump shaft, making sure to follow the coupling gap dimensions found in your technical service manual, and then tighten the hub set screws. Next, align and place the Hytrel spider on the seat of the coupling hub that has been secured to the pump shaft. Now, place the motor coupling hub on the motor shaft and key. Make sure to follow coupling gap dimension requirements. These can be found in the technical service manual. And then tighten the coupling hub set screws. At this point, visually line up and rotate the motor shaft so that the coupling will fit securely with the spider. Now, mount the motor mounting bracket to the motor face, ensuring that the coupling hubs align. Check alignment through the access on top of the mounting bracket. Tighten the cap screws to the applicable values in the chart. After all bolts are torqued, rotate the coupling to ensure it turns freely. Once the pump, motor mounting bracket, and motor are completely assembled, replace all safety covers. Your pump is now ready to be put into service. For more information regarding the installation of the Viking Pump GL407 and GL410 series glycol pumps, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.